To loop a Canva presentation, start by finalizing your slides. Click the Present button at the top right or use the Share menu to select Present. Choose the Autoplay option from the presentation modes. This ensures your slides will automatically advance and loop back to the beginning after the last slide Wondershare Filmora. If you want to loop only specific slides, duplicate the desired slides multiple times within your presentation. For instance, to loop slides 2 to 4, arrange them in the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, and so on. This method creates the effect of looping specific slides within the overall presentation, ireddit.com. To set the duration, each slide is displayed. Click on a slide, select the timer option, and adjust the time accordingly. This ensures each slide stays visible for the desired amount of time before transitioning to the next. For presentations with embedded videos, you can set the video to loop by selecting the video, navigating to the toolbar, and toggling on the Play On Repeat option under the Playback Settings Canva. Remember, Canva's autoplay feature loops the entire presentation. To loop specific slides, manual duplication is necessary. By following these steps, you can create engaging, self-running presentations suitable for events, trade shows, or digital signage.